In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean your Mailchimp list. Maintaining a clean and engaged email list is crucial for the success of your email marketing campaigns. It not only improves your email deliverability and engagement rates, but also helps in keeping your costs down, especially if your subscriber count is inching towards a higher pay bracket in Mailchimp. First things first, head over to Mailchimp.com. Here on the home page, look for the login option and click through. You'll be prompted to enter your username or email, followed by your password. Be sure to input the correct details to avoid any login issues. Upon entering your credentials, hit the login button to proceed to your Mailchimp dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the home page. Your next step is to navigate to your audience list, which can be done by clicking on the Audience tab. Within the Audience section, you will notice various options, but for the purpose of cleaning your list, click on All Contacts. This will bring you to a page that lists every contact currently in your Mailchimp account. With your contacts displayed, you'll next want to highlight the contacts you wish to clean from your list. This could be inactive subscribers, those who haven't opened your emails in months, or any criteria you've set for list cleaning. After selecting the desired contacts, look for the three dots or the More Actions menu to explore more options. In the menu that appears, you will see the option to delete or archive contacts, among other actions. Here's where you need to make a crucial decision. Deleting contacts removes them permanently, which helps in cleaning your list for compliance reasons, especially useful if you're sure those contacts will no longer be relevant or have requested to be permanently removed. On the other hand, archiving contacts is generally recommended if you believe there's a chance those subscribers might want to re-engage with your campaigns in the future. Archiving removes people from your marketing campaigns without permanently deleting their records, making it a safer option if you're unsure. If you decide to archive, Mailchimp will ask you to confirm your action. Take a moment to review your selection. This step is reversible should you change your mind later, but it's crucial to ensure you're not accidentally removing anyone who still shows engagement potential. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively clean your Mailchimp list, ensuring that your future email marketing campaigns are as efficient and effective as possible. Remember, a clean list is a healthy list. It's not just about the number of subscribers, but the quality of engagement that truly matters. A few extra tips before we wrap up. Regular list maintenance is a best practice in email marketing. Consider scheduling a list cleaning quarterly or biannually, depending on the size of your list and your industry's engagement rates. Additionally, keep an eye on Mailchimp's recommendations and tools for managing subscriber engagement and list hygiene. They often provide insights that could help optimize your email marketing efforts even further. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide makes your list cleaning process straightforward and effective. Remember, taking care of your audience list is taking care of your email marketing's heart. Keep it clean, keep it engaged, and watch your campaigns thrive. Happy emailing.